Throw back to this fish that wanted to take all of my strength. I hope you guys remember. So it's only appropriate I show you how I made this fish stew. I added my oil into my hot pot. I added onions. And now I added my pepper mix. I added tomato paste and I'm going to give this a good stir. So this is what it looks like. And I'm going to add a little bit of water because this is going to get thick. So I added water to it. And I'm adding salt. I added Maggi. I added my fish seasoning. I added all spices. I added thyme. And I added this special curry that I had. So this is good. And then we're going to leave that to cook. And it's cooked already. You see what it looks like. Lush. Yes, so we're going to add in our fish now. So I added my fish to it. Just add all of it. I added a little bit of water to it because this is going to get more thick while cooking. So I covered it up. And this is me mixing it together. I don't want to use this spoon to mix it because the fish is very fragile. So it's all cooked now, and I'm going to shake it up together again. Yes, even while cooking, I was shaking it also. So it's all cooked now, and this is what we have. It's so perfect. Yes, you see now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.